Hello everyone, I'd like to show how to highlight mouse pointer. First we go to the Start, Windows Start, type Control, Panel, then Enter. We find the mouse, here is the mouse, click the mouse button. This pop-ups open, we go to the pointers, the third tabs, select the pointers. As you see, I have already changed my mouse pointers. Before you change the mouse pointers, you have to have the mouse pointers highlights. You can download these types of highlights from the website. I put the website names in my video description. Let's head up. This is the website for downloading the highlights for mouse, for the pointers. We go to the gallery, select the gallery tab, right cursor highlights, then press enter or search. We have different types of mouse. Cursor here, like I want to download one of them. This will be downloaded. Then we go back to the mouse properties. When we come back here to the mouse pointers, we can browse. Select the browse, click the browse. We have already downloaded the cursor, it is in download. In downloads folder, like I have downloaded types of highlights. I like to select the red highlight, open, then select apply. You see my highlights red, select OK. That's all. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for other videos. Please put comments any types of video you like to want to make. Thank you for watching.